Unfortunately, in a lot of spiritual communities, especially, the ego is misrepresented as a singular beast that must be tamed, captured, or killed. No. We need this. It is a survival mechanism in order for us to function in the world and protect ourselves, protect each other, be better. When we choose to better ourselves, we have to have enough of an ego to understand that we have done something wrong, take accountability, and do better. Even if it's something as little as I woke up late today, tomorrow I'll get up earlier because I'm going to go to bed earlier tonight. So I can be on any wave of the spectrum, but I just wanted to clear that up. The ego is a very, very good thing to have. It's important for everybody. So how do we tame the ego in a way that is beneficial for our overall trajectory through life? That is through goal setting, habit hacking, and actually not goal setting, excuse me, we're done with that. We are into goal achieving and habit hacking.